Kahit anuman ang paghuhusga at paninira ng ibang tao sa iyo, huwag mo silang paniniwalaan. Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet padasal. It is very hard when people try to tell you who you are based on your past mistakes or your family. The man in this story was born blind, and everyone thought he was a sinner. But after Jesus healed him, he refused to let people define him anymore. Even when the leaders got angry and tried to make him doubt his own experience, he stood his ground. In our lives, we might face cancel culture or people who don't want us to see the change for the better. This story reminds us to be brave and own our transformation, even if it means some people might not understand us anymore. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, bigyan mo kami ng lakas upang ang katotohanan at ang aming pinaninindigan ay ayon sa iyong kahilingan. Amen.